Good morning, dear students. From today we will start new chapter, okay? Chapter 23, Coordinate Geometry and Graphical Solution. You have already done how to plot the graph in class 8 and in class 7. So, in coordinate geometry, okay, we will deal with the points. Okay, we will learn how to plot the points on the graph, how to find the distance between the 2 points, okay? So, suppose here are 2 points A and B, and you know points is always written in the form xy. A x1 y1 and suppose B is x2 y2. Then how will you find the distance between these 2 points? Okay, to find the distance between A and B, first point we will consider x1 y1, second point we will consider x2 y2. So to find the distance between the 2 points, we have one formula: square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So with the help of this formula we will solve the questions. Okay, so some notes are there, some points. Any point is written in the form xy. You know, any point is written in the form xy. Then x is known as abscissa. This x is called abscissa and this y is called ordinate. So when you combine this x and y, we called coordinate. Okay, so abscissa, ordinate, total is coordinate. So on x-axis, point is x comma 0. So on x-axis, any point is in the form of x comma 0. Example 3 comma 0, 5 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0, like that. So on y-axis, point is 0 comma y. That means on y-axis this abscissa is 0, x is 0, and on x-axis y is 0. So you have to remember in that way. X-axis means y is 0 and y-axis means x is 0. So origin, you know, origin is 0 comma 0. This point is called origin O 0 comma 0. So now we will start from exercise 23C. 23A and B we will do afterwards because that is graph. So exercise 23C, number 1, find the distance between the following points. Number 1, 4 comma 2 and 5 comma 2. Now you have to find the distance between 4 comma 2 and 5 comma 2. So we will make this A and we will make this B. A is 4, 2, that means x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 is 4, y1 is 2. x2 is 5, y2 is 2. Now we will find the distance, and formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now you just put the value. x2 is 5, x1 is 4. 5 minus 4 whole square plus y2 is 2, y1 is 2. 2 minus 2 whole square. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2, 0 square. 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0. So 1 plus 0, 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Unit you have read because you know distance is measured in unit like centimeter, meter. So here unit is not given. So we will just write unit. Next is 5 comma 10 comma 5 divided by 10 comma 1 by 10 and minus 1 by 10 comma minus 7 by 10. This is A, this is B. x1 y1, x2 y2. Use formula, then just put the value. x2 is minus 1 by 10, minus x1 is 5 by 10. y2 is minus 7 by 10, y1 is 1 by 10. Now take LCM. These are fractions, so we cannot add them directly. Take LCM, 10 and 10. 10 is the LCM. So minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus here LCM is 10 minus 7 minus 1 whole square. Same sign addition, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 divided by 10 whole square plus same sign addition, minus 8 by 10 whole square. Minus and the power is even is plus. So 6 square is 36, 10 square is 100. Plus minus, power is even, so plus 8 square is 64, 10 square is 100. Again 100 is LCM, 36 plus 64 is again 100, 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100. So square root of 1 is 1 unit. Now next question number 3, 0 comma root 3 and root 3 plus 1 comma 1. x1 y1, x2 y2, a b. Use formula, then put the value. x2 is root 3 plus 1 minus x1 is 0. y1 is 1 minus root 3. So root 3 plus 1 0, no need to write, plus 1 minus root 3 square. Since one is square root and another is whole number, okay, then we cannot add them. So what we will do, we will use formula of a plus b whole square and here a minus b whole square. So formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, first part, plus second part a square minus 2ab plus b square. Root 3 square is 3 plus 2 ones are 2. Root 3 plus 1 square is 1 plus 1 minus 2 ones are 2 root 3 plus root 3 square is 3. Now 2 root 3 cancel since they have opposite sign. 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8. Root 8. Now 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. Square root of 8. Now we can write 2 root 2. So in place of root 8 we will write 2 root 2 unit. Now next question, question number 2. Find the distance of each of the following points from the origin. Now you have to find the distance of each point from the origin. So your given point is 5, 12. You make this A. Okay, then origin is O. Origin is 0, 0. So x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Now use formula, distance between A and O, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 is 0, x1 is 5. So 0 minus 5 whole square plus y2 is 0, 0 minus 12 whole square. 0 minus 5 is minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus 12 is minus 12 whole square. Minus square, even power, no? So plus 5 square is 25 plus minus and the power is even plus 12 square is 144. 25 plus 144 is 169. So square root of 169 is 13 unit. Now next question number 2, root 3, 1. Solution A. Consider this A, origin O. Then use formula. After that put the values 0 minus root 3 whole square, 0 minus 1 whole square. So 0 minus root 3 is minus root 3 whole square plus 0 minus 1 is minus 1 square. Minus and the even power plus root 3 square is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 unit. Now next consider this A and this one is O, origin. Use formula, then 0, x2 is 0, x1 is minus 2 by 5. So 0 minus minus 2 by 5, 0 minus minus 1 by 5. So 0 minus into minus plus 2 by 5 whole square plus 0 minus into minus plus 1 by 5 whole square. So 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25, 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25. Then you will get 4 by 25 plus 1 by 25. LCM is 25. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25. So square root of 1 by 5. We know square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 5 is root 5 unit.